Good morning, Barry, QuickSilver Sound Architects here, brand director. Behind me, I'm trying to steal the shot but I can't, is this wonderful lime green DB12 Aston Martin, of course. This had our rear section on it. The customer wanted it louder. This has been on a video once before. Currently this actually has, we've taken that off to examine how we can perhaps improve the rear section, but this now has our OPF, GPF delete pipes, which are basically straight through pipes that you can also buy. So it's kind of, if you have this car, you can choose to have either or both. At the moment this just has the OPF, GPF delete pipes, so if you wanted this part, which is slightly cheaper than the rear section, you can make your DB12 sound something like this. And of course, if you want the rear section as well, it will sound even more loud, and we will record that when we get that fitted. So there you go.